Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today here I will be creating some gel nails, and this was a requested tutorial by one of my lovely subscribers. So here, after I've applied the cuticle remover and softener, I'm just grabbing my cuticle tool and then I'm using the opposite side of the tool as well to remove any excess skin. So here I am just pushing them back. And by the way, thank you so much to all my lovely subscribers for allowing me to reach 400 subs. I am so grateful and thankful, and I love you guys so much. So now I'm just grabbing my cuticle trimmer and removing all the dead skin around my cuticles. Now I will begin to pick out my full cover nail tips, and by the way, I always speak on these. They are amazing. They are only $9.99 for 500 pieces, and they are gel full cover nail tips. I will have them linked down below. So right here I am just grabbing a regular nail file and buffing out the top of the nails, and this is just going to give it a more natural plush look when you apply it on to your natural nail plate. So here I am using the Beetles base gel. I'm applying it to all the nails, and then this is how I will apply my full cover nail tips. This is an alternative to nail glue. This is an excellent method. I absolutely love it. So as you guys can see here, I'm grabbing the nails and then I'm just curing them for 60 seconds or less, depending on how strong your UV lamp is, and that is all. I'm just using my nail tip clipper and I am just adjusting them to my liking in length. I did want to go for a shorter look today, so I am just trimming off a bit of the nails. So here I am just filing the nails. I am going straight down the nails and then at a 45-degree angle to create a coffin-like shape, and also going in at the tip of the nail to just make it as crisp as possible. Now I begin to buff the nails just to remove all the shine, since I will be applying my own top coat. And by the way, I will have everything linked down below in the description box. So yeah, by the way guys, don't forget that if you want your nails to last, prep and prime the nail and then add a base. I don't do this on my channel because I film very often, therefore I do apply a peel off coat to pop them right off. But a peel off coat I only recommend if you don't want to have them on for very long or you plan to take them off right away. Now I will use the Beetles base gel and apply this to all the nails and cure for a couple seconds, and then I will begin to paint my nails with my gel polish of choice. And by the way guys, let me know down below if you guys want like short videos or you prefer a bit longer videos. I don't really know. I try to do usually between the 6 and 8 minute mark because I don't know if you guys prefer short or long, but just let me know your choice of preference down below. So here are the polishes I'll be using. The Beetles gel polish. These are the colors. I do 2 layers of each colors. So here I am doing my first layer, then I will go and cure in for 60 seconds, and then I'll apply my second layer and cure once again for 60 seconds. By the way guys, let me know if you guys would want me to do a Q&A, like maybe you guys could ask me questions that you would like me to answer in my next video, and I think it would be more of an engagement between you and I, so I think that would be really fun. But let me know down below what you guys think. So now I will go in and apply the Beetles top coat. So here I am just applying the top coat on all my nails and then curing it for 60 seconds. And by the way guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. I'm genuinely grateful for all the love that I receive. It really makes my day and means the world to me. Here I'm applying some cuticle oil, and by the way, don't forget this step because applying cuticle oil increases the circulation around your nails. It also stimulates nail growth, and it also helps protect your polish for long-lasting shine. And here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was as helpful as possible. Thank you once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.